everybody, this is Oscar from Auto Solution. In this video we're going to review how to deploy the BoxLang MiniServer for Windows 2019 on AWS. So I hope you enjoyed the video and let's start. First of all, if you don't have any AWS account, you can go through aws.amazon.com and from here you are able to create a new AWS account. Also, I want to show you the site close-server.org.com where you can find all documentation about the BoxLang cloud servers. In this case, for AWS Windows-based image, we have a software and tools install matrix where you can find what the Amazon machine image has installed. In this case, the CommandBox in his later version. The BoxLang runtime has operating system binary in his later version. The BoxLang MiniServer has operating system binary in his later version, and a sample CommandBox application in his later version that is a CommandBox application stored by default with the BoxLang MiniServer. Also, we have environment variables that helps to config the BoxLang runtime and the CommandBox home, and also the BoxLang target version that helps you to install the desired BoxLang version. By default, we have, as mentioned, a CommandBox sample application placed under the C volume input /www.root folder, and if you want to place a custom site or a custom application, you can place it there, and automatic schedule task will start that application for you. So once you have your AWS account, you can go through your EC2 dashboard, and from here you are able to start new EC2 instance. So I'm gonna click up on launch instance to start to set up the instance. The first step is to give a name to the instance, so I'm gonna give the name of BoxLang MiniServer, and to select any of our offers, or in this case the BoxLang MiniServer for Windows, I'm gonna click on Browse More Amazon Machine Image, and here at the share bar I'm gonna look for BoxLang and go to the AWS Marketplace section. So now you're here, you can see here the BoxLang offers for AWS that we had, and in this case we're gonna select the BoxLang MiniServer for Windows. All of our offers has a free trial of 1 month, so feel free to try it before if you want. So I'm gonna subscribe now. Once we had select the Amazon machine image, we can continue and set up the instance type. In this case, I leave it as is, the M4.Lerch, and set up a key pair. This key pair helps you to decrypt the Windows administrator password later, so you can select an existing one, or if you don't have anyone, you can create a new one from here. For network setting, I'm gonna allow the HTTP traffic to be able to access the HTTP server that start with the BoxLang MiniServer, but also I will add another security group role to allow the access to the RDP protocol and connect to the instance. For the storage configuration, I'm gonna set up 120 gigabits, and in advanced details, I'm gonna look for the user data section. This user data section lets you perform commands or any task while your instance is being launched. For example, if you want to run a custom PowerShell script, you can place it here, and Amazon will execute it while your instance is being launched. So for this case, I have this PowerShell script that updates the start CommandBox sample application, removes all content under the C volume input www.root, that is the sample CommandBox applications, and download a BoxLang script in that folder, the C volume input www.root index.pxm. So I will copy this and place in the user data section. Once I have this, I can launch the instance and await for be ready, up and running. So from here, you can go again to the EC2 dashboard, and you will find here your EC2 instance and see their state and the status checks. Once you have your instance get up and running and with all the health checks passed, you can click on the connect button, go to the RDP client section, download the remote desktop file to connect it with a RDP client, and here in the get password section, you can click up and upload your private key to decrypt the administrator Windows password. So I'm gonna look for my private key and decrypt the password. You can copy this and save it in a secure place. In this case, I'm gonna place here and open my RDP client, import the RDP file, to connect to the EC2 instance. So now I'm connected to the Windows instance, and from here I can start to install required tools, required applications, or performing any action that it's needed to manage the instance. So once I'm here, I can open the File Explorer and look for the zip volume in input www.root folder, and here we will find the index.bxm file that we download in the previous step. Also, I can open a PowerShell window and start a box command to run the CommandBox application. So now we have CommandBox running and I can perform any command in CommandBox. Also from the EC2 instance dashboard, when you click up your EC2 instance, you can see more information about this one. In this case, the public IPv4 address. You can copy this and paste in your browser to see the BoxLang MiniServer. So the BoxLang MiniServer is executing the index.bxm file that is a hello from BoxLang, and you can see here. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoy. So see you later in the next one.